To buy on Phantom Wallet, start by opening the Phantom application on your device. If you do not have it installed, you can download it from the official website or your device's app store. Once installed, create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Next, navigate to the Phantom dashboard and click on the Buy button. This will redirect you to a list of supported cryptocurrency exchanges and marketplaces where you can purchase cryptocurrencies such as Solana. Choose a reputable exchange that suits your needs and follow the provided instructions to complete the purchase. You will be required to create an account on the chosen exchange, verify your identity, and deposit funds using a payment method accepted by the exchange. Once your account is funded, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and follow the exchange's instructions to complete the transaction. After purchasing the cryptocurrency, you will need to transfer it to your Phantom wallet. To do this, go back to the Phantom dashboard and click on the Receive button. This will display your wallet address, which you can use to receive the cryptocurrency from the exchange. Copy the wallet address and paste it into the exchange's withdrawal section. Confirm the transaction and wait for the cryptocurrency to be transferred to your Phantom wallet. Depending on the exchange and network congestion, this process may take a few minutes to complete. Once the cryptocurrency has been transferred to your Phantom wallet, you can use it to purchase digital assets such as non-fungible tokens or participate in decentralized finance activities. Always ensure to follow best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your secret recovery phrase safe to secure your Phantom wallet and assets. By following these steps, you can easily buy and transfer cryptocurrencies to your Phantom wallet, allowing you to participate in the Solana ecosystem and explore various decentralized applications and services.